Required safety precautions for your workplace include the following. 1. Proper ventilation in the salon. 2. Latex gloves should be worn by the hairstylist during the application. 3. Cape and towel should be worn by the client receiving the GKhair treatment. 4. Do not apply on the scalp. Skin irritation may occur if the product comes in contact with the skin or scalp. 5. During the blow-drying step of the application, blow the air in a direction away from the client's face. 6. If the client experiences any irritation or signs of allergic reaction, immediately rinse from the hair. 7. If the product comes in contact with the eyes, immediately flush the eyes with water for 15 minutes. 8. Properly clean up spills and discard of empty packaging. 9. OSHA requires for each salon to have a hazard communication plan for the salon. GKhair offers a version to download, which can be downloaded directly from GKhair.com. Step 1. Consultation. Determine the client's desired result. Frizz reduction, easier manageability, curl reduction, or straight. Medication. Are they taking any medication that could affect the best procedure? Pregnancy. Is your client pregnant or breastfeeding? Allergies. Do they have any allergies? Color history. Do they have color in their hair? If so, when was the last application? What kind of color? Have they had a color correction? Previous taming or keratin treatment? How long ago? What hair type do they have? Fine, medium, or coarse? What condition is the hair in? Healthy, virgin, normal, color treated, or over porous? Step 2. pH plus shampoo. Usage. Shampoo twice before the application of the best to open the cuticle. Each shampoo should be left on the hair for 3 minutes per application to open the cuticle properly. Gently work shampoo in the hair, avoiding tangling hair. Avoid massaging the scalp. Step 3. Section the hair. Start at the nape of the neck, or the most resistant part of the hair. Step 4. Apply 1/4 inch away from the scalp. Massage product into hair strands with fingers. Step 5. Process the hair for 15 to 60 minutes. Step 6. Rinse the hair with warm water until the hair is free of the best. If hair is color treated or porous, shampoo with GKhair Color Protection Moisturizing Shampoo. Then rinse. Apply the deep conditioner for 5 minutes at the basin. Then rinse. Step 7. Towel dry the hair. Step 8. Blow dry. Use a high heat on a high airflow setting. Use the GKhair vent brush to remove excess water. The round brush blow dry is the most important part of the blow dry. Here, you stretch and pull the hair to achieve straight results section by section. Work with each section until the hair is shiny and smooth. Remember, tension is the key to straight results. Step 9. Flat iron. Set the iron to a temperature that the hair can handle. Use your professional judgment. Work in neat, thin sections. Start at the bottom and work towards the top of the head. You may need to adjust the temperature to accommodate different porosities or textures. Pass the iron until you see the change in the hair.